Welcome to BI 201 group project. Our group project is based on Gause's principle.
Gause's principle or Gause's law, also called the commutative exclusion principle. It states that no two species can occupy the same niche and compete for the same resources. Gause's principle explains the composition of resources in a niche, and it explains that competition is the interaction between species when their needs overlap as they try to consume the same resources, which could be in short supply. By looking at the animal species in the same niche, they compete for the same resources like water, space, and food. And in plant species in the same niche, they compete for the same resources like light, root space, water, and minerals.
To add on, let's take a look at niche. A niche is the role of the species within an ecosystem. It depends on how the organism responds and reacts to conditions and resources that affect it. A niche can be classified as a fundamental niche and a realized niche. A fundamental niche consists of a species that has access to a lot of resources, conditions, in a very large area with no competitors. On the other hand, a realized niche consists of species with other interspecific competitors who are competing for limiting resources, limiting conditions in a small area. Let's illustrate competitive exclusion principle with the brown-tailed skink and the blue-tailed skink. The blue-tailed skink live happily in their fundamental niche where they have access to a lot of resources and conditions without any disturbances from other species. When the blue-tailed skink come into the same niche, they will start to compete for the same resources. The fundamental niche becomes a realized niche. As time goes by, the brown-tailed skink will become the strong and dominating species and will outcompete blue-tailed skink for resources. On the other hand, the blue-tailed skink will become the inferior species and be excluded from the niche, or they will migrate. Hence, Gause's principle states that two species cannot occupy the same niche and compete for the same resource. That's the end of our presentation. Thanks for watching.